What's up? I'm Jerry and welcome to this channel, EndWorldSuckDOTCom. Also be sure to check out the official website at www.EndWorldSuck.com. Alright, so let's get started with this week's episode of the Cryptocoin Report. In front of me, we have the Bitcoin price action on Bitcoinity.org, and this is showing the Bitstamp exchange rate. As you can see here, this is the 2-year chart, and this spike here is that recent spike we had all the way up to that 363 high. Since then we have come down, we've been consolidating, and the question is this the pop of the bubble, or is this just, the alleviation before the rise all the way up to the 1,000? I can remember back earlier this year when we first hit this $50 mark here. We hit it, we went all the way down to about 40-ish something. People thought it was going to go all the way back to 30, but it didn't. It stayed there for a while. Then it went all the way up to that 266. Could we be seeing something similar now, or could this actually be the top for this trend? Alright, so let's zoom in here to the 7-day chart. So far, I don't see a clear reversal. If we go below this support level here, this is around 270-ish, can't really tell here. If we go below this support level, then I would say yes, we have a clear reversal. Right now we're still above it. Also, if we consolidate a little too long, well, if we consolidate long enough and then go up, then then we wouldn't have a reversal. So obviously that's not the case there. But yeah, if we go through that, then I see a retest of this 250 support. That was that 250 high that was back earlier this year. Alright, now let's take a look at the Litecoin price. This is the Litecoin price on BTC-E, and this chart is by BitcoinWisdom.com. By the way, links and everything are in the description below. Alright, each one of these candlesticks represents 1 day of time period. Alright, so this was back earlier this year when we went up to that 450, that second time. This isn't that 580 high, this is the 450 high. And then this is just recently when we went up to this 446. So we basically tested this resistance level, and it doesn't look like we've gone through it. Looks like we're going back down. Now, I'm looking for a consolidation, alright? And a consolidation around this $3 level, $3.50 level, and then we'll see what happens after that, if we continue to go up or if we go down. One thing that you can use to figure out where the market is heading is you can use these lines here. This is what I do actually. This is what I do, at least with the Bitcoin price with Clark Moody, but you can also do it with the Litecoin price here. If you sell when the yellow line intersects and it goes to the top, and then you buy when the yellow line intersects and goes to the bottom, you may lose a few times, but overall in the long run you'll end up gaining if you just follow the charts, use the tools. It takes discipline, but hey, you can do it if you want. Alright, Bitcoin 0.9 update coming soon. The new release is going to allow people to store data inside the blockchain. Now this right here is some good news because it gives Bitcoin another use besides just being used as currency. I know a lot of people compare Bitcoin to gold. Gold derives its value from it being used as a currency, but also as a commodity in electronics. People can use it to transmit the electrons through the circuits. So by adding this functionality to the Bitcoin blockchain, this gives Bitcoin an alternate use besides being used to transact value. It actually gives it some quote-unquote intrinsic value. But you can read more of this article yourself, and listen to the podcast on Let's Talk Bitcoin. Bitmit is shutting down. This is some sad news for me, especially since Bitmit was one of my favorite sites to buy and sell things for Bitcoins. I've been on here since the beginning of this year. Had nice feedback and everything. Had almost 100 feedback. All of them were 100%. And now these guys are shutting down, moving on to, better things, I guess. However, if you still want to buy and sell things for Bitcoins, you are not out of luck. There's other sites that are popping up. One I'm testing out right now is these guys, Crypto Thrift. They let you buy and sell things for Bitcoins and Litecoins. And I also hear they're going to be adding some other coins as well. So yeah. Butterfly coin update. What's going on with that? Still, haven't found anyone who wants to get on the development team. And that's okay. Like I said, when I first released this coin, it was just an experiment to see if this thing can get off the ground. I actually didn't intend for any of these, for this problem to happen like it did. But apparently this is an issue that happens with when you try to put a hybrid of a proof of stake and proof of work. Apparently a lot of people have been having issues, and this is just an issue that I can't fix with the skill set that I have now. So that's why the fix has been on hold. If you want to download the original file, it is on the forums, but I've taken the download off of the website so people don't download the broken client. I will say this: some people are able to run the Butterfly coin just fine. Others are having issues. So basically, use at your own risk. I'm thinking of maybe just redoing the whole thing, but I don't know yet. I want to do a vote. I'll probably do a vote. Here's what I'll do. I'll give it a week. If I can't find anybody who wants to get on the development team, I'll do a vote and see what we're going to do. Are we going to just redo the whole thing? Are we going to wait it out until, a future date till we can find somebody? Or are we going to just leave it be and let the community take over? So that will probably be what I'll do in a week from now. YouTube channel. I said I was going to be trying to move away from YouTube. I was talking to some of my friends, and here's what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is this. I'm still going to keep the YouTube channel online. However, I'll always be putting the videos on the Vimeo and on the Twitter. And I'll also be adding bonus content on the Vimeo and Twitter. However, I will still upload the Cryptocoin reports to YouTube. But the main content and everything will be on the Vimeo and the Twitter. Well, the Twitter, I'll tweet the videos out as I make them on Twitter. That's basically how that goes. But anyways, guys, that concludes this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them in the next episode or with a comment. Alright, my name is Jerry. Links and everything are in the description below. Peace.